Welcome to Open House. Today my brothers and I will help you understand why an open house is so important.
I'm Buster. I want you to sell my doghouse, but I don't want anyone just coming over and making me leave my home so they can go through my stuff.
Oh, Buster, they're not going through your stuff. But I do understand it's difficult to keep your doghouse clean and ready to show at any time.
Okay, so what do you recommend I do to sell my home faster with less last-minute showings? I don't like those last-minute things.
One of the great ways to help sell a home is to have an open house. Think about when you walk into a pet store. The sales dog starts walking towards you. What do?
I say, just looking. Or I turn left and go down the nearest aisle, so they just leave me alone.
Exactly. And that is the same with many people. Most people want to go see the home on their own, look at the neighborhood, drive around, and then if they like the house, then they'll call their favorite realtor. So my daddy tells me that they have an open house every weekend, both Saturday and Sunday, until the house is sold.
Wow, that sounds like a lot of time. I'm glad I'm not a real estate agent.
No. Being a real estate agent working for my dad is great. They have all the cool tools to help the house sell fast. So if you want to list your home and want to find the very best team to work for you, call my daddy's team at 978-840-4200. Thank you for watching our video. If you want us to keep making more videos, please like us on Facebook. Have a fantastic day!